We wanted to downsize and we wanted to experience a different city. There are two things that caught my eye with Rina and Rafat when they did the presentations. One is that they gave us all the estimates and values of the homes around us, what was out there. The second was the everyday open house sign that they put on the lawn. We didn't have agents calling us. They called that line directly. They'd give the presentation of the house, what the house looked like inside. Would catch buyers' attention instead of having them just knock at the door wanting to see the house. We had a talking house program. It was a 24-hour hotline that would give the buyers details of the house 24/7. The Omni team has a guaranteed sale program that I really liked. They guaranteed to sell my house. The guaranteed sale program did give me a lot of peace of mind. I was more relaxed and depended on Rafat and Rina to take care of the whole sale. What I liked about Rina and Rafat is the aggressive marketing programs that other real estate agents did not provide. Rina and Rafat went out of their way and contacted their own stager, actually came here with the stager to look at the house, and it just gave a much better look to the house. Rina and Rafat sold my house for 97% of the asking price. We sold our house in 20 days and it sold for the most amount of money in the neighborhood. We also bought the house with Rina and Rafat. They were very professional with showing us the areas that we were most looking into. And we finally did find the home of our dream out in West Lincoln. You couldn't find anyone better to negotiate as Rafat. And he'd always say he was always on our side and he would do always the best for his clientele. Rina and Rafat negotiated $17,000 off the asking price and also a reduction to the home inspection. Their customer service was very professional. They were always here when we needed them, always with a smile. There is one neighbor down the street that still hasn't sold his house and it's been like 90 days on the market. So maybe they should give Rina and Rafat a call. There's no better people out there that would sell their house fast, guaranteed, and go way out of their way to help them find their dream home.